There are many challenges to consider when maintaining and renovating infrastructures or redevelopment of buildings. In our experience, constructions often deviate from the original construction drawings. And for many, usually older constructions, drawings are often no longer available. It is important to have prior clarity on the state and condition of a construction. When construction changes are planned, you need to know if elements, such as rebars or piping, are in the right place. To answer these questions, it'd be great to look at construction data, and you can. Validation of construction data from existing and new constructions using non-destructive techniques gives you the insight you need and minimizes risk. We use a variety of equipment types, including cover meters, ferroscan, radars, and ultrasonic techniques. With this, we determine the fire resistance, bearing capacity, and residual life of constructions. We also map the construction's condition and possible damages present. This provides the assurance you need. You'll gain a quick and efficient understanding of the construction structure and quality. Preventing major problems and serious damages. Our techniques can be applied to concrete constructions, steel constructions, masonry, coatings, and road foundations. If these inspections don't provide the necessary insight to determine the state of the construction or the position of reinforcement, we provide additional services. We also offer destructive testing in our materials science laboratory. This allows us to map the missing material properties. If you'd like to find out how construction data can be validated, contact us today.